If you're interested in joining Larry Benedict's One Ticker Trader service, then stay and watch this video, because Larry has just slashed the cost to join One Ticker Trader by 96%. So you can join right now for just $19, plus you get a 30-day money-back guarantee as well. But the question is, why would you want to join Larry Benedict's One Ticker Trader? Well, I've been a member since 2022. I love the service. It is the number one stock options advisory service out there. It really is. Larry's on an 81% win streak with his trades this year. This isn't about buying and holding. It's basically about using options to basically make money from stocks, whether they go up in price or down. So you can profit whether your stock goes up or down. So this is the perfect service for you if you want to make consistent monthly income from stocks without doing the buy and hold. And like I said, Larry's on an 81% win streak this year, and you can make anywhere from 20 to 100% or more returns on your options trades. Now, obviously, I'm not saying this, and no one's going to say that you're going to become a millionaire from this. This is more a really nice way of making consistent returns from stocks, no matter what the stock price is doing, and making consistent monthly income and revenue month in and month out, so you can top up your retirement account or boost your monthly income. This is what this is all about. And over time, as you build your trading account, you can exponentially make more money. But I'm just going to show you what you get with One Ticker Trader. You get 1 full year of Larry's best skim code opportunities, plus all of his options trades as well. You get the skim trade blueprint, Larry's guide to trading options, which brings you up to speed very quickly with options. You get private briefings, where you can ask Larry anything, and you get all of his special reports free. I don't know how many special reports there are, I can't remember, but I think there's a whole library of them, 15 or more, and you get them all free for just trying Larry's One Ticker Trader service for $19, and you get a 30-day money back guarantee as well. Like I said, I've been a member since early 2022. I love the service. I think it's brilliant. I've done many profitable trades with Larry, and yeah, I can highly recommend the service. So if you want to join, I'm going to put this very page in the comment and description below. Just click on this page, go to the bottom here, and if you want to join, you can join for $19, which is 96% off. I have no idea how long this deal is going to go on for. It's only just been released, but if I were you, I'd take advantage of it, because I don't think it's going to be like this for long. So yeah, if you want to give it a try for 30 days risk-free for just $19, give it a go. I love the service. And once you join Larry's trades and start making 20 to 100% returns plus per trade. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. Thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.